Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to be looking again at adding three-digit numbers. In other words, we're adding hundreds, tens, and ones. Let us say that a bakery produced 574 loaves of bread on Monday and produced 325 loaves on Tuesday. How many loaves of bread in all did the bakery produce Monday and Tuesday? So we're adding. So we're using our place value chart and we're adding. And so we add our ones. 5 plus 4 equal 9. So 5 ones plus 4 more ones equal 9. 2 tens plus 7 tens equal 9. 500s plus 300 equal 800s. So we could write that in expanded form. And so we have 500 plus 70 plus 4. And we're adding to that 300 plus 20 plus 5. Remember, when we expand, we make it bigger or we write it out bigger. Expand means to get bigger. So we're adding 5 plus 4 equals 9. 70 plus 20 equals 90. Or you could break it apart. 0 plus 0 and 7 and 2. And then you have 500 plus 3 more 100 equal 800. So the answer is 899. We can also have that in picture form. So we would have, let's do 500 plus 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens plus 4 ones. And we're adding to that 300 plus 2 tens plus 5 ones. Let's count our ones together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. So that's our 9 ones. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that's 9 tens, that give us 90. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so we have 800. And if you write all of that back in standard form, you would have 899. Let's try another one. Let's erase this for space and try another one. I know if we were at school, we would have a bigger board, but just bear with me. All right. So let us say that at a football match, there are 292 males. 292 males, and I'm writing it in the place value chart. 292. And there were 221 female. It was a big gathering. We want to know how many people in all were at that football match. So we're adding our ones. We're adding our tens. 9 and 2 give us 11 tens. 9 and 2 give us 11 tens. Here we have 400. Now we have 11 tens. 11 tens is equal to what? 110, 100, 110, or 110, 100. So it therefore means that we are going to bring this 100 across to the 100 place. And we're going to be adding it. So 4 and 1 is 5. We no longer have this one because we're taking it. Let's cross it out to show that we're taking it across here. So we have 110, and now we have our 3 ones. So the answer is 513. Let's do it in expanded form. So we have 200 plus 90 plus 20. And we're adding to that 200 plus 20 plus 10. No, I'm sorry, not 20. 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 0. 9 and 2, 11 plus 400. We can write it out at the side, and we have our 400 plus 3 ones. So this 110 is the result of 90 plus 20. 90 plus 20 gives us 110. So now we have 3 ones, 110, 500. So it is 513, and that is in expanded form. Let us see what that will look like in picture form. So we have 200 plus 9 tens plus 2 ones, and we're adding to that 100, 200 plus 2 tens plus 1, 1, 2, 3 ones. We can make a 10. So when you make a 10 here, it's in tens place, so that 10 tens give you 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we group this 10 together and bring it across here, we get 100. So it's an additional 100. How many tens are really left now? You have 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. So the answer is 513. Let's look at another one. Let's erase this carefully to save time instead of drawing the chart over again. Let us say that in a school there are 292. So we have 292 females, and we had 123 males. We want to find out how many there are together. So we have 3 and 2, 5, 9 and 2, 11, 2 and 1, 3. But remember that when we get our 11 here, we have actually 110, because 100, this 10 tens, we could carry it across here, and we have 100, so we cross it out from here because we carried it across here, and we had 110 left over, 5 ones, 3 and 1 is equal to 4. So in expanded form, this would be 400 plus 10 plus 5, and it gives us in standard form 415. So let's show that in picture form once more. So we have done, so we're going to show that now in picture form. So we have our 200 plus 9 tens plus 2 ones, and we're adding to that 100, 2 tens, 3 ones. 3 and 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Once again, we have 11 tens. Can we make a 10? If we make a 10 from this 10, the 10 that we make would be 100. This group would be 10 tens, and 10 tens make 100. Remember, each place is greater than the previous place by 10. It's 10 times. Okay? So here we have this 110 coming across because it's now 100. So we have 110 left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 415. In expanded form, it will be 400 plus 10 plus 5. And that is equal to 450. We're still going to be doing another one, another example. So let us say in Miami, 324 passengers boarded the airplane. And in Raleigh, 126 passengers boarded. They were heading for New York. So we're going to be adding 6 and 4 is 10. 10 ones. 2 and 2, 4. 3 and 1 is 4. But what do we notice about these 10 ones? In these 10 ones, we can get 110 from it and 0 ones left over. So we're carrying our 10 across. So we could cross the entire 10 out and we bring it across here as 110. So we're left with 0 tens here. 4 and 1 is 5. So in all, we have 450 passengers on board. Let us say we write that in expanded form. We're adding it in expanded form. So we have 300 plus 20 plus 4. And we're adding to that 100 plus 20 plus 6. 6 and 4, 10. 2 and 2, 4. 40, 20 and 20, 40. 300 plus 1 more 100, 400. We can put it at the side and add them all together. So we have 400 plus 40 plus 10. And that is equal to 450. So we worked it both ways. And the picture form for that, okay. So the picture form would be our 300 plus 20 plus 4 plus 100 plus 20 plus 6. So we can make a 10 with our ones because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. And we bring it across to our tens place. And we are left with 0 ones. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 450. All right, boys and girls, I want you to try that form that is for today in your Google Classroom.